Hey, so we have this problem, and it wants us to consider this graph of the function that says f of x is equal to x to the fourth plus x cubed minus 3x squared minus x plus 2. And that's this graph right here to the left. I'm kind of squiggling over it in red. All right. And it wants to know, where does the graph touch the x-axis and then the y-axis. So we're looking for where x is equal to 0 and where y is equal to 0, respectively. So if it touches the x-axis, that means that y is 0. So I'm going to kind of zoom in a little bit to this picture. I'm going to erase my red line here. All right. So x is 0 when it crosses the x-axis. So it crosses the x-axis here, here, and here. And it crosses the y-axis. Let me get a different color. Let's do green. It crosses the y-axis right there, where I have that dark green color. All right. So the problem wants us to have these listed as ordered pairs. So for where it crosses the x-axis, I'm going to write right here, x-axis. It crosses at these red x's. So it crosses at the points -2, 0, -1, 0, and 1, 0. And it crosses over the y-axis just at that one point. Let's use our dark green again. It crosses over the y-axis at the point 0, 2. So one thing to kind of note real quick about these is that these x, where it crosses the x-axis, these are called x-intercepts. I think I accidentally moved my page a little bit. That's fine. These are called x-intercepts. Intercepts. And where it crosses the y-axis is called a y-intercept. All right. If we were just given this function right here, to get the x-intercepts and the y-intercepts, we would set different stuff equal to 0. So if we were just given the function right here, to get our y-intercept, we would put all of our x's equal to 0. So to get our y-intercept, we make all x's 0. So we do f of 0, and we get 0 to the fourth plus 0 cubed minus 3 times 0 squared minus 0 plus 2, which is 0 plus 0 minus 3 times 0, which is 0, minus 0 plus 2, so we just get plus 2. And that tells us that the point 0, 2 is our y-intercept. I'm going to abbreviate intercept as INT. Now, if we were trying to solve for the x-intercept, it's a lot more difficult, and I'm not going to do it in this video, but it comes up later on. What you do is you're looking for where your y values are 0. So you have 0 is equal to x to the fourth plus x cubed minus 3x squared minus x plus 2. And we would have to solve for x in this formula. But for this problem, they gave us the picture, so we can just use the picture. All of this is more just extra so that you know, just in case. But the main thing is being able to pick out on this picture, your x-intercepts are where they cross the x-axis. We had 3 of them, right here, right here, and right here. And your y, where it crosses the y-axis, is called your y-intercept, and we only had 1, and it was right there.